Hey everyone, it's me, and I just wanted to let you know that you all saw me clean her and rub down her limbs and all that. And right after that, I took her and I washed her hair, and I probably conditioned her hair like several times because it was so dry and nasty. Um, and then after I did that, I dried her hair really good. And then I painted her lips. And then I put some of this gloss stuff on it. I also got her talking. But this is her. It looks a lot pinker, or looks less. Looks like I added a bunch of white to it on here. A bunch of white paint, but really I didn't. But yeah, this is her hair. This is the back. I am definitely going to reroot her. Hopefully, if I can get some money and maybe a job. I'll go out to Sally's Beauty Supply, I think it's called, and I'll get some strawberry blonde hair for her. From the front, she looks good, but I just don't like the back. But yeah, her hair cleaned up very nice. There's just this one long piece in the back right there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. And then got her talking. So yeah, that's her. And if I do reroot her, I'm going to have to learn how to do like the whole parting or thatching, whatever you want to call it, right there. Yeah, see her hair is kind of shiny right there, it's still wet. But yeah, I put some gloss stuff on her lips, you can see it kind of shiny. And I'm going to have to like turn her eyes, like take them out and turn them, because they're all crooked. So yeah, that's her. So yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe. Later.